How to recover deleted messages on Messenger. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. And then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three lines on top right corner of your screen. And then scroll down till you find Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, scroll down till you find Download Your Information, and if you don't find it here, simply go to search bar on top and search Download Your Information. Click on it and then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Download or Transfer Information. Select your Facebook account and press on Next. Make sure you select specific type of information, which is the second option. Then you'll find all these options. Make sure only messages is ticked and then press on Next. After you press on Next, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Download to Device and then select your mail. After you select your mail, click on Create Files. After Files is created, you'll find your email. Simply open email and open this information and you'll be able to view deleted messages. This is how to recover deleted messages on Messenger. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.